I used to think waiting was harmless, but every delay was costing me something. Time, confidence, opportunities, growth, while I was overthinking. Other people were already learning, trying, failing, improving, and moving forward. And honestly, that realization hit hard. Sometimes we keep waiting for motivation, but clarity doesn't come from waiting. It comes from action. The longer we stay stuck in hesitation, the longer we stay in the same situation. We complain about. That's why now, even when I feel scared, I still move because staying still has already cost me enough. Clarity comes from movement, not overthinking. Try to ask yourself, what has waiting already cost you? Ano yung nawala sa iyo habang patuloy kang naghihintay? Share your answer below. Bye!